Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And the table topic for today is team sports build strong individuals. Team sports build strong individuals. Yes, I agree with this statement that the team builds strong individuals. And why do I think so? Because when you play in a team, you learn various things that makes you set apart in that long game of life. When you play the team sports, you learn to build relationship with each other. You bind more people. You learn to have more empathy towards your team player. Right? The eh, team sports is something that binds you as a whole one unit. So that is very important. Once you become one unit, then you get to learn and get to appreciate a lot of different things in life. And that is where I believe that the team sports build strong individuals. Team sports lays a foundation of who you are actually. And when you play in the team, you will have a lot of conflicts, but that is fine because ultimately you have to become one, and that is the beauty of it. That you learn to resolve those conflicts, and it's very important to resolve conflicts. Uh, so whenever we think about it, any team sports or any team activity, it's very essential that you gel with it. You play with the team, not against the team. So it's very important. That's what I believe. That's why I believe that team sports build strong individuals. Team sports defines that who you are. So it's very important to choose your team. Thank you. Over to you.